everyone, it's Marlena Burton. Super excited and grateful just to say hey and hope you're having a wonderful day. Wow. Congratulations everyone that has joined our team. I have so far received 55 notifications of new people joining our team. Guys, it started with a committed decision. That's all I did was made a committed decision. I was in a business group with a guy, and he was in a travel company. I already had access to a travel company, but wasn't really promoting it. And when I made a committed decision to do what I love, which is to travel, make memories, enjoy time with the people that I love, family, friends. When I made a committed decision, the heavens opened and God sent me 2 people that signed up with me before I ever promoted. The one guy that I did promote to, he had a travel business already. And I said, hey, how's your travel business going? He said, I sold it. I said, really? He said, yes. And so I said, are you open to taking a look at another one? He said, sure. He took a look, he signed up and brought a millionaire couple with him. And leader after leader after leader, God has just blessed our team. And you know what? We had a little turbulence in one of our companies, and a lot of those leaders left. But you know what? Just like when you have a storm in the natural, you don't focus on the wind and the waves and the rain and all that. You focus on rebuilding. So we are in the process of rebuilding. So congratulations and welcome to all the people that are saying yes to, having fun with the super simple system. So I just wanted to come on and say thank you to everyone, and keep giving yourself permission to be free. That's what it's all about. It's not always about the money. It's about freedom. And everybody, the essence of us is freedom. And abundance is our birthright. So those are what's really natural to us. Just like the beauty of spring. Oh my gosh, just like beautiful here. The beauty of spring, guys, we're made to be out in nature, enjoying life with the people that we love. Not cooped up in a building someplace for 8, 12, 16 hours a day. But of course, that's your choice. So anyway, I'm here to help people take $1 a day and leverage $1 a day. Oh my gosh, it just blows my mind. As little as $1 a day, even less, that can change your life with just a few other people saying yes. And guys, now all of our systems are free to start, so we have no excuse. Either you want to be free or you don't, and that's completely your choice. But I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world. So let's connect. 618-223-6006. Have a fantastic day. I appreciate you. God's best.